And on this day in history, June 1st, in 1869, Thomas Edison received a patent for his electric voting machine.
Good morning. It's me, Chip Sasa. Look at you, the weather. It's Monday. Blah. Monday's the worst day of the week. Blah, blah, blah. Today in Cinnamon it'll be 89 and partly cloudy. At least we got the temperature going for us. In Boyd, Minnesota, it's gonna be 94 and partly cloudy. And in Wells, Minnesota, it's gonna be 89 and partly cloudy. Pretty good temperatures, people. Monday, I chose Boyd and Wells because Boyd, I wish Monday was over. And Wells, let's get on with it, Monday. This is another weather report from Chip Sunshine. Get outside, drink some coffee, try to forget it's Monday. And I will too. Yeah.
Here's a look at the phonology for the first week of June. Newly hatched wood ducks jump from their nest boxes. Both painted turtles and large snapping turtles come up on dry land to lay their eggs. Motorists should watch for them crossing roadways. White-tailed deer fawns are born. Each weighs about 7 pounds at birth and has little odor. Their mothers leave them to lie still in protected spots, usually in or near a forest, and returns quite often to nurse her young.
Hi kids, my name is Vocab-u-larry. I'm here to enhance your vocabulary. Here we go. Pizzazz. Pizzazz is a noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Pizzazz is an attractive combination of vitality or idea. The color choices added just the right amount of pizzazz. Pizzazz.